Hi, welcome everyone Real Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make Fraisier cake. So let's see. These are the ingredients: milk, sugar, egg yolk, mascarpone cheese, heavy cream, vanilla beans, vanilla essence, unsalted butter, corn flour, gelatin, strawberry sauce, fresh strawberry, and one vanilla sponge. First of all, we are boiling the milk. During the boiling egg, we are going to mix egg yolk, sugar, corn flour, egg yolk, sugar, and corn flours. You can see all mix. It's now milk already boiled, so we are going to add same mixture. You need to cook again. It's become a cream. You can see now it's become a cream. Next step, we'll put butter, vanilla essence, and vanilla beans. This is the mixture we cooked before. So we do blend. Now I'm going to add mascarpone cheese and heavy cream. Now I'm going to show you how to make the base. This is strawberry sauce and soaked with the sponge base. So you will get nice strawberry flavor taste. You can see how is the arrangement. You need to arrange strawberry around, slice them nicely. Then you will pipe the mixture what we make before. This is for strawberry lovers. Wow. Dia kan Mariana. Relax.